Hi guys, so today I'm going to introduce you to my favourite new beauty tool. This is the Hollywood Browzer. The Hollywood Browzer is a 3-in-1 device, so it's an eyebrow shaper, so it removes all the unwanted hair from your eyebrows, giving you that perfect defined shape. It's also a hair removal tool, removing all the unwanted hair from all over your face. You can use it on your cheeks, your chin, your upper lip, and it's also a dermaplaning device, so it means it is really good for skin exfoliation. It removes the top layer of dead, dull skin, makes your makeup go on so much more flawless, and it's also really good for your skincare routine as well, because it means it can, like all the skincare products, can penetrate your skin so much more deeper. So easy and so simple to use. It's also completely pain-free, so you no longer need to endure the pain of waxing or threading on your face. You hold your skin tight and you do it on clean, dry skin. Then you put the Hollywood Browzer to a 45-degree angle and you just do light feathery strokes. It's kind of like you're combing your skin, and it just removes all the dead skin cells, all that peach fuzz, and gives you that really smooth, flawless surface. So to use the Hollywood Browzer for doing the eyebrow shaping, you hold your skin tight and then you do it again at a 45-degree angle, and then you just brush over all the unwanted hairs that you want to remove. Just light feathery strokes, and it just really defines the arch and gives you perfectly shaped eyebrows. So then once you're finished with the Hollywood Browzer, you can clean it on this little puff pad, and then it shows you all the dirt that has come off your face. A question that even I asked myself before using it is, does it make the hair grow back thicker, darker or faster after using it? And the answer is no, it does not. Luckily, because of the science of our skin, we can't change our natural hair regrowth, meaning it does none of the above. The hair just grows back completely normal, as it lasts you about 2 to 3 months before it's time to get a new one. You should be able to tell as well when it becomes a little bit harder, when the hair's not coming off as easy, then that should indicate that maybe it's time to get a new one. Tend to avoid areas of irritated skin, red skin, dry skin, like raised skin. You just don't want to add further to that irritation. So safe, as you can see, it's got the safety guards on both sides, so when you close it, it protects the blade.